Presenting a pre-owned 2007 Bentley Continental Flying Spur. This four-door sedan has a 12-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Bentley has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, CD changer, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.